63 Time Warner C12 HD. I was asked by some on heavy equipment forums to make a video of the controls of this machine. So basically it's very simple. That's your throttle over here. And on the left side you have your swing. The right side is your boom up and down. On the feet you have the right pedal here. It's a stick in and out. The left side here is your bucket, open close, or in my case it's the gravel. And then the travel here is on your two hands. Now I can't hold the phone and do a video at the same time, but that's how she works.